Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my updated ColourPop Super Shock Shadow collection. I've been back to purchasing more Super Shock shadows, so I thought I should do a collection video now, and then I will do another updated one in a few months. Most of my Super Shock shadows are in this large storage drawer, and my newer ones are in a smaller drawer that is by my vanity. Newer ones are the shades that I like the most, and then these are just all of the Super Shock shadows that I have accumulated and kept in the past like 5 years, I want to say. This is with Flash. Do a little bit of an overview for you guys. I really do love the Super Shock shadow formula. My only gripe is how bulky the packaging is. Honestly, the packaging is really bulky and takes up space, but that's alright. I'm going to talk about my newest shades first. This first shade we have is Milky Way in the limited edition packaging. This is such a pretty purpley pink. As you guys can see, it is still brand new. I haven't even touched it. I haven't even repressed it either. Obviously the shade came broken, but they gave me a coupon code and I just used that on a recent order, so it's totally fine. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it is very, very pretty. It has like a blue flip to it. And here it is closer up with no flash. And here it is with flash. Now, I hadn't been buying Super Shock shadows recently simply because there haven't been very many shades that I've liked, and the ones that I have liked I've picked up. But for the most part, I don't use my Super Shock shadows like ever because I have way too much makeup, so I kind of haven't been buying them, but I finally decided to take the plunge and pick up the shades that I wanted. Shade-wise, this is definitely coming off as a pink with blue sparkle. I kind of didn't expect that. I thought it would be more purpley, but it's definitely pretty. Next, let's talk about the shade Ripple, which is a pretty purple with a blue flip. Ripple definitely has way more glitter to it. I'm in love. Ripple is my favorite out of the two. Next, we have the shade A Whole New World. This next shade is Rem. Rem is like a periwinkle color. This next shade is called Ladybird. Next we have the shade Fizz. A beautiful neon green with yellow gold sparkles. This next shade is Under the Sea. Some of the Super Shock shadows are more moussey than others, that's for sure. These are all the new Super Shock shadows I have. The next shade we have is Tassel. This next shade is Valley Girl. This is Glitterati. I just found out that Glitterati was discontinued, and I'm honestly heartbroken because I don't think I have a backup of it, and it's one of my favorites. This next shade is called Steel from the Amanda Steel collection. The flash really shows the reflex really well. This shade is called Puppy Love. I just tried to wipe the swatches off. As you guys can see, the shades that stain are the first few that I swatched, which is super annoying because now I have to wait.